In today's Go High Level tutorial, I'll teach you how to build an unsubscribe funnel that will ensure that you only remove leads or clients from the campaigns that they specifically opt out for. By default, Go High Level unsubscribes a person by the channel, so it could be example email or SMS. And this approach could be bad for your business because it stops you from sending out emails or SMS to your leads or clients even though they did not opt out. So let's get started. Okay, this will take 4 steps. The first step will be to create a text input custom field, and I name it what prompted your decision to unsubscribe, so you can use that. And then I put it in additional information. And the reason why we're doing this is because we want to put it into a form. The form will look like this, like that. So after you have done that, you want to create a form. Go to sites, go to forms and form builder. And then I have an unsubscribe form here. Okay, and the form is I'm Dennis unsubscribe form, and you only put one thing here. So if you don't know how to build a form, I'll just run through real quick. So you go to custom fields, you go to additional information, and then just drag and drop here. Okay, and then of course you put a button. You should have a button there. My button says unsubscribe me, and make sure you save it. Okay, the next step is to put this form into funnels. Okay, go to funnel. So I have already created an unsubscribe funnel. Basically, it's a 2-step funnel, very basic. I'll just run this real quick with you guys. So put an image here, my header, and then just sorry to see you go, you have been unsubscribed, blah blah blah, and then I put the form here. So when someone clicks unsubscribe me, you want it to use action from the form builder. We are going to click go to the next step. And let me save that. And then the next step will be going to the next page. Since this is the unsubscribe page, you'll go to the thank you page. So someone fills up the form and they press unsubscribe me. They will come to this page. It will just say thank you for your feedback, blah blah blah. Sorry to see you leave, blah blah blah. Alright, so very simple. And the next thing we need to do is to make sure that we link this into your subdomain. If you don't know how to link your subdomain or your domain to high level, check one of my older videos as I go into detail on how to do that. Basically, you just go to settings, and then you go to domain here, and then you put your domain inside here. So mine is just unsubscribe.imdennis.com, and it looks something like this. Okay, once we have this ready, what we need to do is we will need to create trigger links. Go to trigger links, which is you go to marketing and then trigger links, and then you want to press add link, and you want to create different links for your different items. So it could be like I have here, marketing unsubscribe link, education unsubscribe link, appointment confirmation and reminder unsubscribe link. Based on your business, you can have more links here. So you just put it in. The link you will put your unsubscribe funnel here. If someone were to click this trigger link, we want to tag them, and this is how we do it. You will have a unsubscribe workflow where when a trigger link is clicked, it will add them to a DND and remove them from a current workflow. You just press this, trigger link clicked, and when you do that, it will ask you what is the trigger link. So you want to break it down as much as possible. Trigger link click, education subscribe link. This one is appointment confirmation and reminder unsubscribe link. This one, marketing. Alright, this I put this, wait for 1 minute, but don't really have to put this. And then you have a condition, if else. So basically it is checking which link is being clicked. So the first one is lead does not want marketing emails. Okay, so workflow is marketing unsub trigger link click. Okay, because marketing, it has to be marketing here. Lead doesn't want education, so workflow is education. And then you can press another branch. Lead doesn't want appointment reminder emails, so workflow is appointment confirmation and reminder emails. Okay, save action. The next thing we want to do is add a tag, an appointment DND. So this one doesn't want appointment reminder, so we create a new tag, appointment DND. This one is education, so the same thing, education DND. This one is marketing, so add a tag, marketing DND. And just don't look at these two yet because I don't have anything here. Then we want to remove them from appointment workflows. Remove from, you press another workflow and remove from your appointment workflow here. So if you have nurture sequence, you can press this, remove from, workflow, and then choose the workflow here. Okay. And then the other thing is you want to allow re-entry, because we have different trigger links and they can come in at different times. Okay, so the other thing that we need to do is to go to, okay, so this one is the appointment reminder. You want to do the same thing for all your nurture sequences. Okay, basically I'm sending out emails here, confirmation email, reminders, etc. But before doing that, we want to check whether they have the tag or not. So here we use a if else. So the first one is doesn't have appointment reminder DND, and then a second branch has appointment reminder DND. Okay, so it's basically checking this specific person has appointment DND, does not includes DND. If the person does not have the appointment reminder DND, then yes, you can continue sending them the emails. If they have the reminder DND, then don't send any emails. In my opinion, this is the best way to handle people who unsubscribe from you, because we do not want to unsubscribe everyone when they hit the unsubscribe button. So if this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.